So he was actually saying that they were so carnal to have said that. Like he was playing around. Like from his perspective, why would you ask that? That's what he's like saying. But in the real sense of things, if he's going deeper, if we are looking at the deep matter, the marriage counselor was right. I'm helping the girl to ask. It's a private meeting. Is he working? Is this church now that will not marry people now? You cannot come back and come and be divorcing later. Is he working? Is he working? Yeah. See, it means many things. Probably you've been having sex before. Because that's the annoying part. Most of the people watching this thing now, they've been having sex. That's why it's so annoying to me that some of us that are not having sex or that have never had sex, you are not bullying us. Are you high? We should be the one bullying you. Only 1 day or 2 days. It's too far. 2 banging, 3 banging, we're already like you. Okay, we cannot be pro like you anyway. But at least we're not in the category. You've been banging since you were 18, and now you're 26. You have lost count. You know, some of you, if you are sit down and just to think about how many men you have slept with, or how many ladies you have slept with, you will hate yourself. And you're coming here because, okay, I can't tackle people because I wanted to call a position now. So that's wrong. You're coming here because you think you are something. You're not telling me that, why would you say we should see each other's nakedness? Meanwhile, you have given one guy confirmed blowjob. It is not only you that gave the blowjob. The guy gave you his penis now. I'm not attacking you. That's why I'm always angry when people always attack women. The women cheat, men cheat. I don't understand. What do you mean women cheat? Did they cheat with themselves? It's not a man that cheats with her. Where's the woman? They are fighting the woman that cheats. Where's the man that cheated with him, with her? Was the penis not involved? Where's the penis? Why are you fighting the woman? The problem is men. You fix yourself, the women will fix themselves. Simple as ABC. You are the one calling them. You are the one giving them money to have sex with them. It's you, men, it's you. You are the one wanting to sleep with them. Every minute you want to sleep with them. You're not saying their girls are bad every year. Who bats them? Is it not you? After you have destroyed other people's daughter, you not try protecting your daughter or protecting your sister. You know, sometimes I used to say, God, I know that I can't be a bad boy. Sometimes I feel like I want to be a bad boy. I want to do some things. Like punish some people. The punishment, like there's some people I just want to sleep with just to do one to them, like one in say they wise. There's some people you sleep with their daughter just to pain them. This is what you are doing to other people's daughter. You know? Well, God won't let us do such things. So please, I warn you not to take any of my teachings out of context in this series of relationship class, in this series of family life and parenting class. Don't take any of my teachings out of context. Please, don't do that. Don't do that. On a final note, if you know that you have never had sex, nobody has ever seen your nakedness, and you don't want anybody to see your nakedness, it's fine. Do it the way you want to do it and get married well. No problem. I am preferring solution based on the generation we are living in now and the things that are happening now. People are putting rings on their clitoris. What is ring doing on your clitoris? The nose ring is not enough, the earring is not enough, leg chain is not enough. On your clitoris, you are putting ring. People are having infections. People are doing different things. People have part of their laps cut off to do other things. People have used part of their body to do rituals. You want to marry a guy, he has used his kidney, and you want to marry him, and you don't do, like, what are you saying? You are fighting for simple nakedness that you have shown to many people that did not even want it. Some of you, when you were in school, you were naked with your classmates, and some guys have even seen you naked. You have done many nasty things, and I'm teaching you simple things. Even this one is even under construction. It's not like you just go naked for him to just see you. It's under construction, like it's a discussion thing, like the one-on-one thing, like, okay, like, wow, let me see your hair, let me see your back. I'm wearing your bra. I'm like, what's this mark here? Do you understand? You do it in a nice way. How many minutes left? 5 minutes, okay. When it's 3 minutes, stop me. You do it in a nice way. Like, hey, please come help me wear my bra. And he's like, okay. Then you see your back, like maybe fine back. Why do you have tattoo on your back? Like, do you know that there are some women, they were so in love and they tattooed their boyfriend at that time on their body. So you want to marry the person and be doing doggy. You'll now be seeing the tattoo on the person's back. No, now you think I'll come here and be pretending to you. So people, they do tattoo on their private part. It's their previous boyfriend. My brothers and sisters, Muna wise, oh. Muna wise. Muna wise. Muna wise. Muna wise, oh. And they tell you, Muna wise. You see some people, some ladies, if you see their pants very dirty, and you say you don't want to see their nakedness, pants, cheap as pants is, some people's pants is torn. Like pants is torn. Some people are wearing pants for how many days? And you don't want to check their nakedness. Are you high? You want to marry such person? Some guys wear boxers. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, this is the family life and parenting workshop. My name is Raymond K. Monid. I'm one of the facilitators of this class. And this class is 10,000 naira every month for registration. And we just started this month. It's going to last for 4 months. This is my response to a question that was asked after I taught yesterday. So what I'm supposed to teach today, I'll teach it tomorrow because I'm actually not feeling fine, but I really wanted to answer this. So I will teach what I'm supposed to teach today, maybe tomorrow on Sunday, whatever. But this is enough teaching for today. Thank you so much. And this is powered by Godly Seed Community. Have a great day.